Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second day of Taiwan Product Launch to the Indian Market Online 2022. I'm your host, Helen. TAITRA is Taiwan's foremost non-profit trade organization with more than 60 offices worldwide. We help to promote foreign trade through exhibitions, marketing, and trade missions. This event aims to enhance partnership opportunities and strengthen the links between Taiwanese companies and the Indian market. We hope through our event today, we can further strengthen our bond and relationship with our partners in South Asia. Today, we are very happy to invite 4 speakers from 4 companies who are going to introduce their products.
Thanks to everyone for inviting me today to come here and recording this important video about our company. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabil Malik. I'm from Egypt and I stay in Taiwan for a long time, and I'm the sales manager for System and Technology Corporation. Today, I'd like to discuss about the market a little bit in the Middle East and Africa. At the same time, I'd like to introduce about our company. System and Technology Corporation, SYSTEC, the company is a Taiwanese company established, or the company founded in 1987. And I can say that the company is one of the leader in Taiwan for the GIS. When I call GIS related to the geographical indications or the geographical information system, our company as well is one of the leaders for the GPS system. And the most important part that our company is operating the business from Taiwan to more than 70 countries. Right now we start to do more business and we start to have much more expansion than before. So what's our product line? Generally, we have 3 different product lines we sell to the market. We sold over 6 million units until now to the overseas market. So the main product line, we have 3 different product lines. Number 1 is the GPS. We just call vehicle GPS trackers. The second thing is related to the asset GPS trackers. The third product line we call personal GPS trackers. So we have 3 different categories of the GPS. At the meantime, one of the advantages that we have in our company that we have the hardware and we have the software. So we are selling to our customer the full solutions. All the customers looking for, we can sell through our channel. What also makes our company valuable is that we are offering to our customers the customization. So let's say the customer's looking for whatever to make integration to the GPS, we also can offer to our customers. So generally, nowadays, everyone's talk about the IOV and IoT. It's almost the same channel. So I'd like to introduce a little bit about for what is the application we are selling our product to. Actually, we are selling our product to several applications, all related to the tracking system. Let's say, for example, the schools, international schools, or whatever the schools we can sell to. Any transportation we can sell to. We can sell our product to the trackers, just to track the tracks. We're selling to the garbage, for example. We have many products that they are selling to the garbage to maintain and to track the garbage. So through lots of different applications. That's in terms of the GPS vehicle trackers. Once it goes to the personal trackers, let's say for the schools, you have a child, you want to track your child, where he goes, what time he comes back, so we also can track. And the last thing is that we are tracking the asset. You have a very important and very valuable thing. We also can track through our channel asset trackers. And all the information can go directly to our system. Today here I brought with me 2 different product lines. I brought the newest product line we just call lock GPS trackers. And the second thing I brought with me here is the GPS vehicle trackers. So I'd like to introduce this one at the first. This one is nowadays is a very important and innovative product line. We have in 4 and 3 and 2G. So here, so many input and output with the antennas. So let me introduce a little bit about what is the specification for this unit and what this unit can use. As I said, for the application, this unit can be used for the logistic and also for the, let's say, for the garbage applications, can be used for the trucks, for the heavy machinery, can use for the lorries, can use for the intelligent school buses, intelligent cities. So what makes this unit unique, or what makes this unit very innovative, is that equipped with many different antennas, the GPS and GSM antennas. Meanwhile, the device already has the OBD that can be used to be mounted inside the OBD car. At the same time, it has several digital input and output. Also has analog input and output. The device here has mini serial, which is called RS232, RS485. That here makes this device unique. And if I open the device here, we are using a very important and a very, let's say, very innovative modules and modem inside the device here. Let's go to the second device here, which is also very important device and very innovative product. We just call lock GPS trackers. So this device, you can see how big is it a little bit, but this device used for what application? Mainly used for the containers. So what's the ideas? Why comes to our companies the ideas to develop such a product? Actually, many of our customers are complaining that the containers, after move from the port, some of the containers stop in the road or stop in the, in the middle, and then stole some devices, stole some product and some goods from the containers. So what happens is that we can just mount the device in the containers lock and lock it, so it's not easy to be opened. That's number one. Number two, in case the door open, so we will get alert that the door being open. So here the device here has several things just how to open the device. Once you already lock the device inside the lock or the door of the containers, usually you can just use tag or RFID, or also the device can be opened automatically through our fleet web. Just connected to our fleet web, so you can just click the button, it can be open. Several ways to open the device. And as you can see here, what is the most important intelligent thing is that the battery of this device can last for a long time. Over a year, it can also be lost. In the back of the device here, you can see the magnetic. So the device can be mounted, as I said, and the magnetic is very strong to be mounted. For this point, that's here the red point, we use it for the in and out. Or let's say, for example, power the device on and off. Here we have several point here, several LED. The first one related to the battery. The second one going to be related to the GSM, the SIM card inside the device. The third one related to the GPS. And the last one related to the lock, just lock and unlock. That's here just two of the devices I just brought today. But again, we have several devices also, not only those two. So what we just care the most and what we try to do the most right now is that we try to make a more innovative product to help the applications, as I said, like intelligent school bus. And for the Middle East and African market that I work for, we develop many products that help the intelligent schools to control the student. Like we just give the RFID with the GPS together so we can get to know the student get in the bus and get out of the bus. Those devices also can help the parents to know where their children are. If they want to the school or they are out of the school, they can just know and feel more confident that their students are in a safe place. Adding to this, we help here in Taiwan and out of Taiwan, like the garbage. Let's say, for example, here in Taiwan, the garbage is very organized. So how do you know that the garbage is coming? We use our GPS. How do you know that here, several garbage? And we are right now trying to develop applications, APP, for the users to check the application and they get to know where the garbage is coming. The garbage car is coming around or not around or just gone, what time, and all those informations. Thus, we just help for the CSR, for the environment. At the meantime, we are trying to work with other suppliers in Taiwan here to integrate their product with our product together. We are trying to integrate microphone, speakers, fatigue sensor devices, dashboard camera devices, and many other things to be integrated to help the drivers to drive fast and to drive in a very safe. So maybe like in other countries, the road or let's say the infrastructure for other countries is not like here in Taiwan. In Taiwan, I feel the infrastructure is very good, but back to other countries, the infrastructure is not that good. That's why we try to develop more product to let's drive safe. Like cameras, as I said, fatigue sensors connected to many other devices together, so it can give you the location of the vehicles, the report, how to, the fuel consumption and everything, all those things. That was some information about our company. And of course, we have many information to present, but those were the main information that we can add to our product. That's it. Thank you so much for that.
TAITRA International is a professional supplier chain manager of ODMs, OEMs, IoT solutions, and applications. We provide smart innovation products using Taiwan talent technology, covered in 3C products with worldwide vision. We hope to give you more comfortable and desired lifestyle for the future. For IoT application, we are releasing 2 new products. First is human detector with high face recognition access control host. This new access control terminal, we make it most cost-effective and friendly use for small office. It's according to SOHO type small size companies' demand to provide personal management and access control assistance. Small companies can simplify its control of personnel, security, control system, monitoring. Thus, it could easily reduce the relevant maintenance cost. Our face recognition solution can be integrated with the personnel and access control management operation, combined with the easy cloud platform, and it also works well with existing hardware need. It can greatly improve the access system efficiency and reduce companies' personnel and security maintenance cost as well. The features, using the CMOS sensor 460 by 480, and the baud length angle is less 80 degrees. The face recognition can be reset to default setting, and it follows free RTOS structure. The power is USB 5 DC power. Then it offers the sound alarm. It's 1 tone beep is okay, 2 short beep is NG. The recognition with DLA accelerator for fast and accurate identification. 4-pin I/O UART-TX-RX relay output ground Ethernet RJ45. It could be optioned with 4.3-inch color display with simple icon indicator. Also, it with option Wi-Fi module selection. The cloud-based integration tool with reset for API JSON format option 2. Human detector with high precision thermal array sensor to detect body temperature. It solves the limitation of PIR sensor and offers the accuracy data of human behavior in given region. It can be engaged with different application interface for smart energy saving, automation, safety, and surveillance. We welcome aggressive and reliable company to become our partner to help us to transform our smart innovation product to be more smart and suitable for different local application concern. We also like to knock down our products from IC key components, modules, or bare-bone solution to distribute and assembly locally. We are ready for customer tailored solution. Thank you.
Viground Limited Company was founded in 1991 and provides ODM OEM solutions for clients in the optical film industry. Our headquarters was in Taipei, Taiwan, where we develop and design products such as privacy screen filters for different devices. Our customer groups include consumer electronic brands, 3V distributors, and resellers worldwide. We provide flexible OEM service that has long helped various customers to achieve the best cost and success in their markets. At Viground, We have designed and manufactured advanced optical film that delivers visual privacy and screen protection trusted the world over. It's your first line of defense against visual hackers, physical screen damage, and screen glare. From smartphones to desktop and laptops, we offer products that fit over 90% of smart devices. So chances are we have got the right products to help protect your screen and help keep the information displayed on it private. Help keep login credentials, payroll information, and other sensitive data private with Vigrun Privacy Film. Vigrun's privacy filters are removable display filters designed to shield sensitive data from prying eyes and are crucial to data security plans. Innovative micro-louver technology from Vigrun prevents visual hackers' prying eye from stealing your information and keeps data safe for intended users. Our privacy screen filters is reversible. One side is matte, and the other side is glossy. You can choose the glossy side for extra clarity or the matte side to minimize glare and distracting reflections. It also supports the touch functions, so if you have a touch device, it is workable with the privacy screen filter on. Productivity comes from focus. The filter creates both invisible rooms for others and 60-degree visible rooms for you to keep you focused on your task. With the privacy screen filter on, you can really feel more comfortable when flying, commuting, working in cafe, other public space, or even working at home. No one can see your screen from your left and right because it creates a restricted viewing angle of only 16 degrees. It blocks outside viewers and keeps your confidential information safe. Moreover, a privacy screen filter can reduce harsh blue light for less eye strain. It protects against dust and scratches. Let's see how to apply privacy screen filters to your device screen by using either adhesive strips or slide mount tabs. First, remove the protective film. Second, clean the product using the provided microfiber screen cleaning cloth. And for the next step, you can choose how to install a privacy screen filter on your device. One is using slide mount tabs and the other one is using adhesive strips. Adhesive strips are ideal for displays with edge-to-edge glass. Optically clear attachment strips are applied directly onto the device before attaching to the device screen. Washable and removable. Attachment strips allow for easy filter removal, cleaning, and reattachment. If you like to use adhesive strips, you can pull out the adhesive strips and pass them on the glossy or matte side of the product. Remove the colored protection strip and then install the product on the screen and apply gentle pressure along the adhesive strips. Now, your private information is well protected. Peel off the strip from the clear backing. Apply strip to one edge on the back of the filter. Attach slowly and run your finger across the strip and remove bubbles and adhere to the filter. Apply all required strips before peeling off blue liners. Avoid touching the adhesive as you line the filter up and attach it to the screen. Slide mount tabs attach to the device bezel, bothering your display and stay in place, allowing you to slide the filter on and off the screen as needed. If you prefer a slide mount tab, you can pull out the adhesive tab and remove the colored protection strip. Separate slide mount tabs by size, starting with 2 tabs for the base. Peel off the liner to reveal the adhesive. Position large tabs on the bottom corner so the adhesive attached to the device bezel and the tab edges hang over the screen. Position small tab on the side so the adhesive attached to the device bezel and the tab edges hang over the screen. Slide filter into place. Optional. Place additional tabs on the device bezel above the filter to lock it into place. In addition to provide simple security and privacy solution, Vigrun is committed to provide a more competitive cost compared to the major international manufacturers. We have been working with 3D technology companies in Taiwan for decades to provide a more economical cost for this privacy and security product to be more widely used. You can effortlessly enjoy your private work without worry of unwanted eyesight by simply putting on the privacy screen filter to your monitor at cafe, office, or any place. When evaluating a product for your organization and showing your commitment to visual privacy, you don't have to pay a high price. Background privacy screen protectors attached to your employees' devices and act as instant, low-cost solution to visual hacking. Our computer privacy screens are developed with micro-louver technology that darkens the screen at a certain viewing angle, making it nearly impossible to steal your most valuable data. Years of global sales experience have proven that our privacy screen filter has an excellent function with promising quality. With high standard pre-testing, our privacy screen filter will provide trustful protection for your valuable personal privacy. We also provide various types of privacy screen filters for different application categories with additional functions. You will always be able to find the right match solution products from us with your choice and demands. Display and device technology continue to advance. So do we. Driven by our passion to make things better, we constantly refine our products and find a new ingenious way to help keep your screen and the information on them safe.
We take 24,000 breaths every day, equivalent to 5,000 2-liter tanks of oxygen. Breathing is essential to our survival, but what kind of air are you breathing? With the global spread of the coronavirus in recent years, even something as simple as breathing is now encountering a serious challenge. Taiwan Excellence is focused on how to effectively block the virus particles in the air.
iBotech 成立于2015年，长期耕耘空污与过敏原问题的解决方案，期待透过创新的智慧穿戴产品，带给挚爱亲人有更好的生活品质。AirVida M1 是全世界最小的穿戴式空气清净机，借由独家的电子与材料设计，每 0.6 秒释放超过2000万个负离子，有效减少使用者吸入的冠状病毒、一般病毒、PM2.5、过敏原、细菌及甲醛这种有机挥发性气体。无论材质选用、效用检测报告、电磁波辐射的规范，皆符合日本、欧洲、美国等最高标准，让所有使用者在享受清净空气的同时，也能更加安全与健康。
The world's most lightweight wearable purifier utilizes eyeball breathing pathway eco-ion technology, which has patents in 8 countries and is exclusive to eyeball. This purifier is paired with a carbon fiber brush patented in Japan. Simulation of the breathing circulation pathway, the composite high-tech material, all these features enable the negative ions to concentrate near the wearer's nose and mouth. AirVida produces 20 million negative ions every 0.6 seconds, which is equal to the amount of negative ions produced by 100 forest waterfalls. Once airborne particles with positive ions come close, the negative ions produced by AirVida attract the positively charged particles and turn them into bigger and heavier chunks, causing them to plummet to the ground. This technology effectively blocks harmful substances such as PM2.5, viruses, pollen, and formaldehyde. Wearing AirVida is like carrying around 200 forests. They constantly clean the air and create a protective barrier. AirVida has passed authoritative virus removal testing. Coronavirus removal read up to 99.7%. virus removal rate up to 99.9%, formaldehyde removal rate up to 99%. Removal rates verified by a third-party laboratory can effectively reduce PM2.5 by 99.9% and pollen allergens by 99.9%. National level experiments and tests have proven again and again that AirVida excels at purifying the air. The AirVida wearable air purifiers have received international awards in Japan, the US, Germany, and other countries since their release. Unlike counterfeit brands, AirVida has earned the first place in the Symbol of National Quality Award 3 years in a row. AirVida offers quality you can trust. It also earned the Taiwan Excellence Award in 2022, which is the highest honor for excellent and innovative products.
疫情期间 ，Wearable 更强化 AirVida 去除空气病毒、细菌等有害物质的能力，最后通过台湾的国家级实验室测试，可快速灭除 99.7% 空气中悬浮冠状病毒的活性。也因为对于效用与安全的坚持 ，AirVida M1 首度荣获象征 MIT 台湾产制商品最高荣誉的台湾精品奖。获奖结果不仅鼓舞 Wearable 研发团队，更让许多海外的消费者能发现我们产品的创新与价值。
AirVida's wearable air purifiers hit the Japanese market in 2017. In just a couple of years, AirVida has earned 5-star reviews from 94% of consumers, with 97% of users having allergies reporting significant improvement.
我本身在幼年的时候就是一个小儿气喘的患者，那现在也具有严重的过敏体质。1年前，我先生买了一台 AirVida M1 送给我。以前我在发作的时候，常常会没有办法停止的打喷嚏、流鼻水、鼻塞，鼻腔也有严重的酸涩感，以及呼吸的窘迫感，连带会让我容易产生昏沉、嗜睡的症状，专注力无法集中，也让我的睡眠品质下降。佩戴 AirVida 后，发现自己的打喷嚏以及鼻腔肿胀所引发的症状频率明显的降低，让我的昏沉嗜睡的症状改善，睡眠品质也提升。
In addition to pursuing simplicity and effectiveness in functions, the look of a product has to integrate with people's everyday lives. The birth of AirVida presents Wearable's corporate vision and reflects the core value of Taiwan excellence.
Today, we've learned product information from several Taiwanese companies. If you would like to know more about the brands, products, or services shown today, please sign up for free one-on-one business meetings during Taiwan Expo in India 2022, which will be held both on and offline from 28th to 30th of September 2022. The link of Taiwan Expo in India online can be found on the description box below. And the physical expo takes place in Mumbai World Trade Center. You are always welcome to visit us. We are very grateful for your participation today. Please continue to pay attention to the excellent products from Taiwan. Wish you a pleasant day. Thank you, and see you next year.